Science Under the Microscope. My latest book is right here. It is a philosophical investigation, let's say the science of science. It has a wealth of information, 14 chapters that discuss very different kind of issues about science. You can read each chapter independently, so you just pick the one that interests you the most, and I think when you have started one of those you will say, I want to read those other chapters too. How do you order this book? You can order it from Amazon, from wheredowecomefrom.com, that is my website, or from the publisher Gerard Books and Media. You can also scan the three things to the left, one of the three. Chapter 1. A brief discussion of the following issues. Chapter 2. The world as clockwork. The following issues are being discussed there. Chapter 3. Mother Earth's heartbeat? ? It discusses these 4 issues. Chapter 4. The secret of life. Is DNA the secret of life? Or is there more to life than DNA? Chapter 5. The origin of life. Chapter 6. The evolution of life. Chapter 7. Man stripped of his clothes. That's what we hear a lot nowadays. Is that true? We will see what the philosophical analysis tells us. Is it ape or Adam? Chapter 8, with the following issues. Chapter 9. It's all in the genes. Really? It requires a philosophical investigation. How far can DNA go? Chapter 10. From sex to gender. What is the difference? And what are we to make of that difference? Chapter 11. Can animals talk? We hear that a lot, that claim. Is that possible? Or is there something wrong with that claim? Chapter 12. Can machines think? Most people will say yes. Is that correct, that answer? Or is there more to it? Chapter 13. We are talking about facts all the time. What are facts? And that is not an easy issue, but it's an important one. And Chapter 14, finally, the God of facts and values. These are the claims we often hear. Are they valid? In other words, this book has a wealth of issues that you can read independently. Take your pick or read them from A to Z. If you want to know how to order the book, either scan the picture to the left for Amazon books, or from my website, or from the publisher's website. I think you will enjoy what you get there.